Worldcoin, a bit of a controversial cryptocurrency project. Is it a dystopian nightmare or an innovative new technology that you should be investing in? Well, you're about to find out. In this video, I'm going to give you all the details that you need to know about Worldcoin, including what it is, how it works, and make sure you stick around until the end of the video where I'm going to be breaking down and discussing the risks that could send this cryptocurrency all the way to zero, as well as the opportunities which could send it to the moon. Everything in this video will be explained very simply, of course, for you. So if you're new to the cryptocurrency markets, or maybe you're new to WorldCoin's token, then this is for you. But before we dive in, of course, I have to give you the quick disclaimer. Obviously, no one has paid us to talk about WorldCoin and make this review. The information in this video is provided to you for free for educational purposes, so I hope that you enjoy it. Obviously, this is also not a recommendation for you to run out and buy, sell, or hold WorldCoin. Okay? Keep that in mind. Obviously, if you enjoy this kind of great free content, then please do consider sharing it around or leave a thumbs up, or preferably subscribe to the channel if you're new around here. That'd be freaking awesome. By the way, I don't currently own WorldCoin, but if you ever want to see full portfolio disclosures, including my current holdings, my current venture investments, all that kind of stuff, you can see it in the description on YouTube or on the pinned comment over on X. So, that stuff out of the way, let's get started. What the heck is WorldCoin? Well, in the world of tomorrow, that's dominated by AI, it will be harder to tell humans apart from computers. That's where WorldCoin comes in. Launched in July 2023, 8 months after ChatGPT was born, WorldCoin is a biometric digital ID platform giving everyone in the world a way to verify that they are real people, not bots. WorldCoin says it's a more human passport for the internet. The idea is that in our ever increasing digital world, you will be able to use your WorldCoin ID to unlock services from travel to banking to gaming and shopping and beyond. But get this, the guy behind this solution to the AI problem is also the same guy who's developing the AI technology itself. You might have already heard of him. His name is Sam Altman. He's the CEO of OpenAI, the parent company behind ChatGPT, one of the biggest, most famous AI companies in the world. WorldCoin's parent company, Tools for Humanity, was co-founded in 2019 by Sam Altman alongside Max Novenstern and Alex Blania. Sam Altman is the chairman. Max was the former CEO, left in 2021, and Alex remains at the company as its CEO. WorldCoin's goal is pretty simple. According to Sam Altman, he shared on X that it's a global financial and identity network based on proof of personhood. The WorldCoin platform itself is divided into three different components. There is a World ID. This is your digital ID. WorldCoin, a global cryptocurrency, and the WorldCoin app, which is your digital wallet that stores your ID and your crypto. To get your World ID, users must first download the WorldCoin app and create a WorldCoin account. Then you have to verify your ID by booking an in-person appointment to get your eyeball scanned by the WorldCoin orb. The orb! An orb is a scanning device in the shape and size of about a basketball. I don't know why they had to make it look so nefarious and Orwellian, but anyway, they did. Anyway, WorldCoin's platform verifies your identity by taking a photo of your iris. It converts this biometric data into a string of numbers and identification code known as the iris code. The codes are saved on the blockchain, which WorldCoin claims no one, not even the company itself, can actually copy, edit, or use to identify you. That's because WorldCoin uses a cryptographic technology designed for advanced privacy called zero knowledge proofs. It basically allows you to prove your humanness to WorldCoin without revealing the data itself, aka your identity. Whilst this technology may be effective, of course, it does raise concerns about the dangers that come with giving away our biometric data to private companies. Now, I'll talk more, of course, about the detrimental consequences of this later in the video, so make sure to stick around for that part. But when people are incentivized to give up their data in exchange for a little bit of crypto coins, they're going to do it. People love free money, especially if it's easy to get. At first launch, Worldcoin was offering users 25 of its WLD tokens for submitting their iris scan. At the time, the token was trading at about $2. Now it's about $6. And that's a lot of money for a lot of people in the world just for scanning your eyeball, which of course makes you think. This explains why over 2.5 million users around the world have had their eyeballs scanned by the end of 2023. Despite its controversy, WorldCoin is backed by some pretty damn big VC funds, including A16Z and Blockchain Capital, who participated in its $115 million Series C funding round in 2023. And before we break down the WorldCoin token and what it is used for, let me interrupt the flow real quick to give a shout out to today's sponsor, which is iTrust. Look, if you are trading cryptocurrencies on a regular basis, you might want to have a more tax efficient way to do that. That's where iTrust comes in. You can bring your existing IRA or start a new one with them that can let you have all the trades you want with the top coins: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin. You can make 1,000 trades and never hit one taxable event with iTrust. And iTrust, like crypto, is 365 24/7, unlike Bitcoin. ETFs only trade Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, excluding bank holidays. So this meets you where you are in crypto with a great range of coins. They're the biggest crypto IRA provider with the most users, most assets under management, most trading volume, all that fun kind of stuff. You can start your account and even get a $100 funding bonus by using the link in the description. Thanks again to iTrust for sponsoring today's video. Now back to our regular scheduled programming. Now that you understand what WorldCoin is designed to do and how it works, let's talk about the WLD token, its utility, its supply, its distribution. WorldCoin's WLD token is an Ethereum-based cryptocurrency with bridges in place to send tokens to and from Ethereum Layer 2 networks like Optimism and Polygon. By owning WorldCoin's token, you gain voting rights in any governance proposals that can shape the future of the platform. Yay, governance token. WorldCoin has also stated that in the future, the token may unlock certain features within the ecosystem. Remains to be seen what that will be, but okay, sure. And it could even be used for payments because a lot of cryptocurrencies can be used for payments. WorldCoin's token supply is capped at 10 billion WLD tokens for 15 years. Currently, the initial 10 billion tokens are allocated as followed: 2% allocated to the WorldCoin reserve, 9.5% allocated to investors, 13.5% allocated to the team, and 75% of these tokens are allocated to the community, aka people scanning their eyeballs. After the first 15 years, the WorldCoin community can then decide to inflate the supply and how to actually allocate these tokens, which is pretty cool. However, out of those initial 10 billion tokens, only 1.83% are currently in circulating supply. That's around just 182 million coins, which means that the majority of these tokens are yet to be released into the market, aka huge sell pressure is still to come. Huge inflation is still to come. The fully diluted value of WorldCoin right now is absurd. The token unlock schedule shows that by year 3, over 60% of the initial supply will be swashing around in the market. And by year 6, that goes up to 80% of the token supply. Now, that is something to absolutely keep in mind if you plan on going out and investing in this cryptocurrency. The numbers are working against you here. To entice more users into its ecosystem, though, WorldCoin has made some pretty big name integrations. WorldCoin's app store now supports World ID with Discord, Minecraft, Reddit, Telegram, Shopify, and Mercado Libre. So, for example, Shopify store owners, you can now use World ID for fraud prevention or for one off promotions. Or if you're using a chat app like Discord or Reddit, then your World ID allows moderators to confirm that they are not spamming the platform. WorldCoin has also partnered up with Ramp Network, allowing users to easily convert their local currency into WorldCoin's WLD token, and of course, back again. Ramp is also integrated into well-known crypto wallets like MetaMask and the Trust wallet. Now, whilst all these integrations are great, especially for the future for WorldCoin, there's of course just one massive kind of really big red flag here that could threaten the entire project, and that's data privacy concerns. Governments and data protection agencies are not taking the risk lightly. Europe has almost entirely kicked WorldCoin out by issuing temporary bans. Pretty extreme, right? Germany is the only market in Europe where WorldCoin can actually harvest that biometric data right now. So, whether it's a coincidence or not, this is also WorldCoin's regional base. WorldCoin is now locked in a legal battle against Spain's data protection regulator after filing a lawsuit. And I'm sure it's the first of many. And it's not just Europe that's banning WorldCoin either. Africa is too. Lots of countries across the continent coming out against WorldCoin. WorldCoin, for example, was suspended in Kenya shortly after launching in 2023 due to the data harvesting. However, WorldCoin is trying to combat these concerns in its latest 2.0 upgrade, but it's an uphill battle. Anyway, that upgrade was launched in December 2023. WorldCoin 2.0 is allowing users to choose between three different levels of authentication: casual, standard, and high. The casual level allows users to download the app and to then go and create a World ID without doing the eyeball scan, which will be a relief, of course, to potential users. You just need a simple device authentication. Great. The standard level, however, does need an iris scan. And the high level not only requires an eyeball scan, but also additional measures for maximum security. Then, in April of 2024, WorldCoin added a new feature to increase the protection of people's personal data. So, if a user no longer wants to use the World ID, they can now actually permanently delete their iris code. If WorldCoin can continue to quash these privacy concerns and lean into its humanity cause, then people could be more likely to go out and embrace WorldCoin and what they're doing and their whole vision. Look, at the end of the day, WorldCoin is a very ambitious protocol. Digital IDs are actually something that will be important if got right. And obviously, there's a lot of privacy concerns, how data is going to be used, all these sorts of things. And there's a lot of things working against WorldCoin right now, not just massive token inflation, but of course, all these legal risks that are problematic. The flip side is that there are many millions, hundreds of millions, probably billions of people around the world who lack identification or adequate identification, especially for using the internet. This is all problematic. So we need better solutions. Is WorldCoin that solution? I don't know. You can let me know down below in the comment section what you think. Thanks for watching.